Power through your day with these no-bake protein balls packed with nutrient-rich ingredients like almond butter, protein powder, and flaxseed, which not only provide energy and satiety, they also are infused with C60 Power's cinnamon and coconut MCT oils, adding a boost of health-enhancing benefits and a hint of spice. Are you ready to try my balls? You're gonna love them. So, this recipe calls for a couple of key ingredients that amp up the protein as well as the antioxidant power in your day. You can eat these protein balls whenever you need a little boost in energy, or if you're just feeling extra hungry and you have nothing else in the house, these are a grab and go treat that can be used in the morning, as a snack, after exercise, whatever. So I'm gonna take my gloved hands because these are kind of hard to maneuver once you get them going. You're going to put in your almond butter. Now this is important here. The almond butter that we use is 2 ingredients. It's almonds and salt. That's it. Then we're going to put in our organic vegan protein powder. You can use vanilla or chocolate, or in my case, I'm using coffee flavored. Then you're going to put in a little bit of the coconut flakes and a little bit of the flaxseed, which helps add some additional fiber. And then we're going to add in our C60 Power MCT Coconut Oil. This is great for your brain, it's great for energy, it's great for detoxifying your body. 2 tablespoons of the Purple Power Delicioso'ness. Now I'm just going to use my hands, that's why I have the gloves on, to mix everything together. And then I'm going to put the rest of the coconut onto the plate, and I'm going to roll the balls in the coconut. Now you can make the balls however big you want. I would recommend you make them about the size of, like half the size of your palm. And if you find that it is too goopy to make the ball, what I want you to do is add some more flax or add some more protein powder into the mix. Okay, so we're going to take about this much. This is about 1.5 tablespoons, maybe 2 tablespoons worth of ball. And we're going to roll it in the coconut. You can kind of see how the ball's formed. Super, super simple, delicious, and with the added power of C60 MCT oil, you are getting a huge, huge jolt on your day. All right, so we're gonna pop these into the fridge, and we're gonna show you what they look like once they're cooled. All right, they are ready. They're nice and firmed up. Look at that. So I would just put these out into a Tupperware or onto a plate. You can garnish them with a little extra coconut. There we go, look at that. Beautiful, it's snowing. And there you go. Delicious, nutritious, and easy to make protein balls.